I'm gonna try printing 2 colors for the first time on this press. Damn, this is exciting. This is WHADAFUNK history right here. Hope you guys are paying attention. Yo, what's up guys? This is the WHADAFUNK Stories vlog, and on this episode, I'm going to show you guys behind the scenes of running your own clothing brand. So this is the WHADAFUNK brand. WHADAFUNK is our brand, and this is our studio. I'm going to show you guys a little bit behind the scenes of the day-to-day operations and all that type of stuff. So check it out, behind the scenes of WHADAFUNK, exclusive sneak peeks of what's going down. So check it out. So as you see right now, the studio is a little bit of craziness. We do a live stream every Thursday. So we have this nice green backdrop that we just set up right here. Some new lighting for our live streams. And we just dropped these new WHADAFUNK posters, so we gotta clean that up. So this is what's really exciting though. I'm gonna show you guys what's really exciting. So we just got this awesome 4-color press. I'm so hyped on this, guys. I've been wanting to get this for so long. We worked so hard to get here. So hyped on this. So the idea behind this was we really want to step up the quality in WHADAFUNK. So we want to make more comfortable clothes. Our stuff is already awesome and comfortable and great as it is, but we want to increase the quality, make the shirts more comfortable, make the prints better, make everything better. So that's really the goal, always to grow and make things better. We want to make this the best brand and your favorite brand. If it's not already your favorite brand, we're trying to make this your favorite brand. We're trying to make that shirt that you want to just throw on. You're like, this is the shirt, you know what I'm saying? So that's our goal. So that's why we had to upgrade. So right now we're working on a design. This design was used on our newest beanie that's available at Zoomies, but we're going to turn it into a shirt because I want to test out how to print on the new 4-color press. So this is the original design. This beanie is available at Zoomies, and this is modified a little bit. I'm going to try printing 2 colors for the first time on this press. So right now I'm working on the color separation. So you got to separate the colors, and we have all the colors right here: red, white, and then the underbase right here. So I'm going to show you guys the process of us creating the screens, burning the silk screens, and then testing the printing out. So stay tuned, check it out, it's going to be awesome. We're printing the transparencies now, getting them all ready. That's the underbase, which means white pretty much. So yeah, this is gonna be fire. First 2-color design. I'm hyped. The transparencies are all printed out. So we got the underbase right here. This is gonna be the red screen, and this is gonna be the white screen. So I'm gonna burn these screens, gonna show you guys that. I'm excited, check this out guys. Really, I'm learning, so let's see if this actually works. I don't know if it's gonna work, so this is a trial and error, a learning experience. That's the fun part about doing your own thing and just creating, is the process. Gotta enjoy the process. So here we are, documenting it too. Check it out guys, we got the screen all set up, all registration marks all set up, aligned. Hopefully it works. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We just fixed this up the other day, so you know, upgrades all around, you know. Gotta, still DIY though, keep it DIY. Back at the studio, and guess what happened? Guess what happened last night? So last night we're washing the screen out, and exactly what I thought was gonna happen happened. The emulsion did not want to wash out because the emulsion was old. I knew it was old going into doing it, but sometimes, you know, it's better off to just test out what you have, make sure it's not good still. If it was good, then I wouldn't have to buy more emulsion, you know what I'm saying? So you always got to think about these things and try these things out. But yeah, so it didn't work, so got some new emulsion on the way, waited on that, about to start burning the screens as soon as that comes, and then we're going to be printing right after that. So here, I'll show you the screen, how it didn't wash out. So this is the screen. You could see it washed out alright, but a lot of parts weren't washing out, and then a lot of parts were washing out a little too much. So, you know, it literally took like 10 minutes to try and wash this much out. It should take like less than a minute. So, you know, I want to do it right because this is the first time. So I want to do it right. So getting the emulsion. We're going to be waiting for the emulsion. I'll get to that part next. Tonight's WHADAFUNK live stream. So just waiting on the stuff to come. Alright, so check it out, guys. You've seen the emulsion messed up on the first screen, but we got some new emulsion. We reburned them. The screens are ready. I'm going to show you guys the screens right now, so check them out. These are the screens. We're just setting them up right now, getting them ready, getting them set up for the first time. Damn, this is exciting. This is WHADAFUNK history right here. Hope you guys are paying attention. If you're not, too bad. We're back in the studio. We did some test prints, and this was my first time using this press and using this method, so you know, I wanted to wash it out, make sure it was good, make sure everything we did was right, because you know, it's all about testing over here. So we tested some shirts. You guys seen the test prints right here. Here are the test prints that we ran, and honestly, for the first time using this press, I'm actually pretty hyped on how it came out. I know how I can improve on the next time that I make a design. I messed up a little bit. I didn't wash out the registration marks too good when washing the screen out, so it was a little hard to register, and this is my first time using this press, like I said, so next time I know what to do, make sure everything's washed out completely and good. But for a first try, I gotta say, I'm pretty hyped on how it came out. I'm excited about to print this full run now, since everything worked out right, and let's get to it. Let's get to it right now, guys. Hyped. New WHADAFUNK. Alright guys, so this is the finished shirt, the finished product, our newest piece right here, WHADAFUNK Unexpected t-shirt. Guys, like I said, the quality on this is insanely better. So make sure you check it out. Thank you guys so much. If you want to cop one, grab one right now, whadafunk.net. Hopefully if you're watching this video, they are still up because once we're finished printing something, they are never made again. And we made it to match our Unexpected beanie from Zoomies. This is available in Zoomies. So if you have this and this, you got the whole fit going. Check that out. That's so dope. But thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate all your support so much. And we could not be WHADAFUNK brands without you guys. So thank you for supporting. Hit that like button, subscribe, and do all that cool stuff. And if you want to see more stuff, check out one of these videos right here for more content. Peace.